What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. I'm back. Welcome. Let's go take a look and see what's going on here in the shop. First off, we have this beautiful Red Mist C8. It is here for two things. We'll be doing a full 8mm paint protection film wrap in our Ultimate Plus option, and that's going to get finished up with a ceramic coating. She's up next for the process. Here we have Caleb just reversing this Tundra that he finished a correction on. Turned out great, and she's looking good. Just need to make a few wipe downs here and there, and we'll call the customer and get him on his way. Cinnamon stick, I think they call this color. Challenger is going to be getting tint later on today. And then next to it, we have this Scat Pack charger. It was parked underneath the carport, and a big windstorm actually lifted that carport up and it damaged the vehicle. As you can see here, there is some scratching on top of the surface of the PPF, and then there is a gouge here on top of the fender. And even on the under rocker parts, there is some damage. But this car was here previously for a full PPF wrap, and so the PPF actually took the damage instead of his paint. So this is just a prime example of how much money you can actually save by protecting your car. All right, so we have a brand new 2023 Capstone Sequoia from Toyota. We are doing a full PPF wrap on this, and it's currently in the midst of getting worked on. And then here we have a nice, beautiful Mercedes SL. That's here for a couple of things, paint protection film as well as a coating. He had just recently added on that he wanted to remove the tint off of his rear windshield just so he can have that visibility back. Up next in the queue, have this beautiful black Lexus here. We did the full front clip as well as wear and tear package on it with PPF, and then it's up next for the ceramic coating process. And then here we have the Audi that's getting ceramic coating at the moment. Patrick wanted me to mention something. This vehicle needed a little bit more care than what our typical prep work was going to do, so we're actually doing a full correction prior to the coating process. Here we have T, hard at work, tinting this Camry. He's getting things prepped up. Looks like the side doors are already completed with the rear windshield left. After we're done with this, we'll get that going and on with the rest of the day. But you know, not too much craziness going on here in LATROBE, but that's all we got. Luke, what is going on in Gibsonia?
Thanks, Isaiah. Before we send you down to Miami, I wanted to show you what Jimmy and I were working on today. We were testing security film, which we install on buildings and houses to deter break-ins and forced entry. Jimmy was swinging a bat at this, trying to see how long it took us to get in. We'll have a video to show you how that went coming up soon.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gibsonia, and let's take a look what's in the shop.
In the tint bay, we have Ian working on this 2019 S60 Volvo. This is getting our Prime XR 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window. In the wash bay, we have Jason working on this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is here from our friend Tony. Got a full front clip paint protection film and ceramic coating about a year ago, and it's back in now for its annual maintenance detail. In the back, we have Mark and Austin touching up this 2021 Acura TLX. This is in for our full front paint protection film, along with a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Our full wrap of the week is this 2023 BMW M4 Competition. This has what BMW calls frozen paint. So you can see on the back bumper here what the paint looked like. It's a satin finish paint job, and now we applied some stealth paint protection film. So it's going to be a full body wrap on this vehicle here. Once that's complete, we'll be doing a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. A brand new 2023 UX 250H. This vehicle is in for a paint correction and ceramic coating. It is all good to go and awaiting pickup right now.
That's all for Gibsonia. Let's pass it down to Miami.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. We show what we have going on in the shop this week. Here is a brand new 2023 Ram TRX. This one's going to be getting full Expel Ultimate Plus clear film over the entire thing. Also an Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating and XR ceramic tint over the entire vehicle. Here is a 2021 Audi RSQ8. They got Expel Ultimate Plus in the full front clip to help protect it from rock chips. Also the Expel XR Plus ceramic tint on the windshield and Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating over the entire vehicle and those wheels. It looks better and it's protected now. This car might look a little familiar. This is a 2019 Bentley Continental GT First Edition. Getting some PPF touch-ups, and it's been getting cleaned up to go to an event tonight. Here is a 2023 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, getting our full Expel Stealth on the white parts and also the Expel Ultimate Plus Gloss on the black parts to convert that white paint from that gloss finish to a matte finish. It's going to be protected and change the look of the vehicle. Also has been getting our XR Plus line of film for the tint, help protect from that sun, and also a ceramic coating over top of everything else to help make it a lot easier to clean the vehicle. Another Tesla Model Y in the shop this week. We're doing a track package with a PPF and also our XR Plus line of film for window tint on this. Here we have a Honda Accord with some older window tint that started bubbling on the back window. So we're going to be removing that and replacing it with our XR line of film, help with the heat and give a better look. That's all we've got in the shop this week. If you like what we saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.